Anyway, I just want to say we're really excited to share with you guys all of the hard work we've been putting in for the last year on Nilalang. And we have the groups from Villa Post is here. They did such a great job on Nilalang. So the whole team of Villa Post, thank you so much. Also Parallax Studios, maraming salamat. On the Tower Pictures is in the house. And of course, we couldn't do this without Viva Films as well. So thank you so much, Viva. The record in, I think, is outside, shaking off the butterflies. Of course, he's a little bit nervous. And he has nothing to fear. He's my partner and the brains behind the whole production. So he did a great job on this one with the whole team. So we're so excited to share this with you guys. Okay.
Direct Cesar. Brother, dito lang ako sa likod mo, bro.
落ちたわ。落ちたわ。落ちたんです。あれ？入り口にいた。Maria, you want popcorn?
You like popcorn? Popcorn.
Ah, yeah.
5 popcorns for Maria. 6 for Lenny.
What? Ano ba? Hindi
Direct set.
Okay, guys. Well, everyone's coming in. So, if everyone still has their tickets, I'm going to go ahead and raffle off a couple bamboo sunglasses from Mad Monkeys. Okay, I'll call out the ticket number. Pair of awesome sunglasses from Mad Monkeys.